The season of blockbuster film premieres is in full swing, and this evening one of Hollywood's biggest stars was in Leicester Square.
Dire 4.0, Bruce Willis.
Did you see that? Yes, I thought I did it.
We saw the banner earlier, so we thought that was quite impressive, so I think we're going to see the movie now.
You just killed a helicopter with a car. I was out of bullets.
I saw the banner and I would definitely go and watch the movie.
Our entertainment correspondent Matt Smith reports.
He's still flying the flag for ageing acting heroes, and last night Bruce Willis staged his own workout on the London crowd.